YoungBoy, Choppa boy. You know what I'm saying? We finna react to some of his songs from his project. You feel what I'm saying? Finna react to some of the songs on his project. You feel what I'm saying? He just dropped one with this dude named Birdman. I don't know. I never heard the dude, but you know what I'm saying? Let's get into this shit. You feel what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment down below. Any songs, videos, or ever that you want to react to too as well. Don't forget that. Let's get into it.
Straight off these Vertical Valley floors. $10,000 robes. Top. You already know, son.
Oh, I thought that joint was about to drop.
You know how we
That
live.
would've been hard.
Bezo. We do this shit.
He got no hair now.
You
NBA YoungBoy, he ain't got no hair.
Money shit. But that Q drive Choppa boy coming out the top. He let out shots right up the block. Yeah, I remember that too. Youngest nigga posted on the block, told him that. With a small sack, now he got a bigger bag, and he just won't thank God he grew. Anytime we hustle different ways. One's up in the grave and got thugs inside the cave. I'm stuck up in the streets and pray that he don't take my life away. Wish you was here to see how everything changed. Raising the boys home, junkies and cell phone. We living that street life, we thuggin' but dead wrong. We ducking the Jake niggas but shooting at fake niggas. We living this drug life, the money we make, nigga. Thuggin' it every day, we shooting it hallways. No plan, no fam, nigga. We standing on what we say. We boss, nigga, and we do it like every day, no cost, nigga. Give a fuck about what they say. And I miss my mama, and I miss my daddy. I miss my brother, I watch him riding that caddy. I miss my blood, and I miss that love. And I miss my cousin, I watch him die in his pain. Q drive Choppa boy coming out the top. He let out shots right up the block. Yeah, I remember that too. Youngest nigga posted on the block, told him that. With a small sack, now he got
NBA YoungBoy is actually fire. I don't know why people hate on him. Like, personally, I think NBA YoungBoy, he's good, bro. Like, I don't know why people be hating on him.
a bigger bag and he just won't thank God he grew. Anytime we hustle different ways.
Yeah? Yeah, I did.
Up in the grave and got thugs inside the cave. I'm stuck up in the streets and pray that he don't take my life away. Wish you was here to see how everything changed. I remember Middle Street with a nigga bag every day was bang. Me and J Boy sitting in the truck back and forth right after that all night hustling. I done did time down all the seen one around when I made it home. Riding in a drop on the same block they killed my cousin. And all I done sing got my heart sold. Can't get my foot out the streets like I got shotguns on. Dump over 15 million I done made since you been gone. Plus I ain't been blowing up my daddy, I been living on my own. I thought once I set the plot, dead around I wouldn't chop. Couple blocks and I heard the shot. This be E-bustin' trying to stop. Gotta watch over every penny, can't think about nothing. I'm gonna push shit in the cemetery and ball for my dead partner. Q drive Choppa boy coming out the top. He let out shots right up the block. Yeah, I remember that too. Youngest nigga posted on the block, told him that. With a small sack, now he got a bigger bag and he just won't thank God he grew. Anytime we hustle different ways. One's up in the grave and got thugs inside the cave. I'm stuck up in the streets and pray that he don't take my life away. Wish you was here to see how everything changed. Simple. Put it on my life on my mama on. Playing no games, nigga. Stay focused, boy. Ain't no slipping in this paper. Real rich nigga shit.
She just talking, bro.
Off of them
Cause I don't know if he talking. Cause if he just talking, I'd skip. But then I don't want to skip, and then he's actually, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Yo, that was fire. I ain't gonna lie. I mess with that. Birdman is terrible. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I don't mess with him, bro. I ain't gonna mess with him, though. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. That's probably why I don't know about him. But I just got to turn post notifications, comment down below, any songs, videos, whatever that's what I'm react to. You feel what I'm saying? Positive, prosperous, wealthy, everything besides negative. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day. Don't enjoy this video. Have a great day. Peace.